Hello and welcome to another video for My Such Toys Games Collectibles, and today we're looking at the 1972 release by Michael Stanford Holdings from their Pleasure Products series of jigsaw puzzles. And this particular series we're looking at today is of Doctor Who. Pleasure Products produced 4 different jigsaw puzzles from Doctor Who in 1972. We have done videos for the other 3, and this is the last one, the number 4. As you can see, it says on the box, the top left hand corner, it says number 4. And it's got Doctor Who Jigsaw, and it's got odds against Doctor Who with the Ogrons, a 100-piece jigsaw puzzle, approximate size 11 inches by 9 inches, starring Jon Pertwee as the famous Doctor Who, by arrangements with the BBC TV. Okay, so that is the front of the box. Let's just turn the box over, and what have we got on the back? Okay, so on the back it says Pleasure Products are a new concept of high quality products for boys and girls of all ages. Remember to look out for the trademark, another Pleasure product, to ensure hours of fun for your children at inexpensive prices. So we've got jigsaws. It says see the exciting jigsaws from the amusing BBC TV series. Doctor Who jigsaws. See the new series of high-quality action jigsaws involving BBC TV's famous Doctor Who. Box games. 3 super games now available. BBC TV Drafts featuring the Magic Roundabout. BBC TV Ludo featuring Camberwick Green. BBC TV Snakes and Ladders featuring Mary Mungo and Midge. Each with colourful playing board and components. Promise hours of fun for all the family. TV Squeezes. Series of 3 lovable squeaky characters for the Magic Roundabout. Plenty of play value, or just use them as ornaments. Completely safe for children. New characters coming soon. Tableware. Make a hit at your party with Magic Roundabout disposable paper tableware, cups, plates, napkins and party cases. And TV Pop-Outs. A series of 6 full-colour pop-out stories containing models of Magic Roundabout's favourite characters. Easy to assemble. They will provide hours of fun. Each one also contains a Magic Roundabout story. Collect the whole series. Watch out for new titles coming soon, featuring your favourite television friends. And at the very bottom it says made in England by Michael Stanford Holdings, British Broadcasting Company, 1972, from the BBC TV series. And on the bottom left hand side it says another Pleasure product. Okay, now that's the back of the box. What we do now is we'll open the box, take the jigsaw out, and have a look at what we got inside. Okay, so I've removed the jigsaw from the box, and this is what we've got. So it is all disassembled at the moment. There is 100 pieces there, and it is 100% complete. And I know this because we have actually made the jigsaw. So at the end of this video, I will upload an image of the completed jigsaw puzzle. But you can see the pieces. Let's grab a few and have a look. You see they're high quality pieces. Again, thick card. You know, very impressed with the quality of the jigsaw puzzles from Michael Stanford Holdings, especially on this Pleasure product line. They were such good quality, and they were inexpensive at the time. The only downside I can mention about this series of jigsaw puzzles is the box, because the box was very flimsy. It distorted very easily. There was no padding inside, and they squashed very easily. So that's the only downside about this jigsaw. Otherwise, the jigsaw itself is fantastic, and it is the image of Jon Pertwee battling the Ogrons, as we can see just in that window there. As you can see, the Doctor surrounded by the 2 Ogron figures, and that's from a TV episode, Day of the Daleks. And there's, of course, is an image there of Jon Pertwee as the Doctor. Okay, so 100-piece jigsaw puzzle. Measures 11 inches by 9 inches when complete, and does look incredible when completed. And yeah, and I say there'll be an image at the end. So there was 4 produced. This particular one is number 4, which is called Odds Against Doctor Who with the Ogrons. There was Doctor Who with the Daleks. There was Doctor Who at Work, and there was Doctor Who in Bessie. So those were the 4 jigsaw puzzles that were produced from this series. How well did they do? Well, yep, they done fabulously well back in the day. In 1972, there's no such things as videos or streaming, live streaming, or multiple channels. We had ITV, we had BBC One, and we had BBC Two. That was it. So if you missed your TV program, you had to wait for a rerun. There was no other way you was going to see it. So in order for us to still continue to enjoy our favourite television programs, things like Jigsaw Puzzles were available. There was annuals, there was colouring books and all sorts of things like that. But that was the only real way that we could enjoy our television program. Even back in the early 70s for Doctor Who, there was very few figures and things available. There was a few Daleks from the 60s, and then there was a few more figures produced in the 70s from the Tom Baker era. But back in 1972, there was very little stuff, merchandise available. But Jigsaws was, and they were a very, very big thing. So they done remarkably well. Incidentally, when these jigsaws were new, this jigsaw puzzle came actually made. It was complete in the box, and it was folded in half. I suppose that was padding out the box as well, so that it didn't squash as bad. But obviously, over the years, where they've been separated, been done, they put back in the box in pieces. Pieces get lost, boxes get destroyed, they end up being thrown away. So not many have lasted the test of time. So they are very difficult to find, especially in this condition where the jigsaw is complete and in fantastic physical condition. So they are very difficult to find. But as usual, we at Midas Touch has managed to find quite a few of these jigsaw puzzles, and they are available to purchase on the Midas Touch website, which you can get to quite simply by clicking the link below. It'll take you straight to the website, where you'll be able to find this and many other vintage Doctor Who items, and many other vintage toys, games and collectibles come to that. There's over 10,000 products currently available on the website for you to view and purchase at your leisure. Also, don't forget to hit the subscribe button, because we are uploading videos for every new item that goes into the website. There will be something for everybody, and I'm absolutely positive you're not going to want to miss this, because we literally have thousands and thousands of new products which we are shooting videos for and uploading on a daily basis. So if there is something in particular you are looking for, something old that you've never been able to find, something quirky you might want to buy for a friend, or maybe just something from your childhood that you'd like to own again to help you recuperate those long lost childhood memories, well, stay tuned, keep watching, because you never know, the next item we upload could be that item you've been looking for. Okay, that is it for me on this particular item. I hope you've enjoyed this very short video. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you again soon.